Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. So I know y'all haven't seen us in a long time.
Oh, wow.
We haven't been posting because we've been busy with Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and
It's life.
TikTok and everything else. So we haven't really been posting on YouTube. The reason why we haven't been consistent on YouTube is because now it feels like everything's just moving so fast, and I feel like now everybody just want to see quick videos. Nobody really want to watch long YouTube videos no more, like, you know, before. And I feel like I've been doing the same way. Like, I haven't even been really watching YouTube like that. My thing has just been Instagram Reels and a little bit of TikTok. So I guess everybody's on a move now. Everybody don't really have the patience to watch YouTube anymore. But, you know, I kind of want to put an end to that. I thought it would be good to, you know, I was like, let me post on YouTube because I miss YouTube. Even though we all like the fast, quick videos, I do like to sit down and watch an informative, good video. You know what I mean? I don't want to just watch quick videos real quick, and I don't want my attention span to be shorter than what it already is. So I don't want to train my mind to just watch quick videos. So now we're gonna start. I know we said it before, but this time we're really gonna start posting back on YouTube. We have a lot of content for y'all. Since this is a family channel, it's going to be more about family. So you're not just gonna see us. You're gonna see a lot of the kids. You're gonna see a lot of food, like foods we eat. You're gonna see more grocery hauls and what I eat nowadays. So I know a lot of people probably don't want to just see informative videos, but we're gonna give you informative videos and those type of videos.
Yeah, you need it.
So yeah, we didn't eat anything. We've been waiting for y'all, so we're just gonna show you. We got some loaded nachos. Now you can show them. Now you can show them the nachos.
All right, go ahead. You got it.
So I got some avocado. I got some pico, some lettuce. I'm using the Saiti.
S-I-E-T-A.
I'm using that brand. And I got some olives. I got some vegan cheese. Of course, everything's vegan, but I'm just, if y'all new, I'm just letting y'all know everything's vegan here. Yeah, and I got some lettuce, butter lettuce on top.
Butter lettuce. And
a little bit of BioLife cheddar cheese. So that's everything that's on the loaded nachos. I was gonna put a little bit of lentils and use it as like ground meat, but yeah, that's all we're doing. Just keep it simple, quick, because we really just came on here to talk to y'all, but figured why not just do a mukbang, eating some nachos, because we just chilling right now. And why not just talk to y'all? So
it's simple, no tea.
So we're gonna start eating now.
I'll kind of start a little bit. Sorry.
And let y'all know what's been going on. You wanna let them know what's going on?
I haven't been going on. But we started selling sea moss. For all those who know what sea moss is, we'll click the link down below. We're gonna put a video where I did explaining all the benefits of sea moss and, you know, how to incorporate sea moss in your diet. But we just started selling sea moss gummies, started selling gel, raw, and capsules. You know, I like taking sea moss. I can't swallow capsules, so I like taking the gummies. But the gummies are for adults too. But kids, they're definitely great for kids. You know, like kids love them. So that's why we got the gummies, because we want to get the whole family involved. You know, and for those who don't like the gummies or the capsules, you can take the gel. You know, the gel is good. You know, you use the smoothies. You can use it as like a facial mask. That's one thing. That's a good thing about getting in a gel form, because you can use it more than one thing. And then raw, for those who like to make it themselves. You know, you want it from the source naturally. You get it raw, and then you can make your own gel or whatever you like with it. So we got four ways for y'all guys. 4 ways.
Yeah. So the most important thing that I really want to talk to y'all about is the ebook. We have an ebook. About helping people transition into a vegan lifestyle. That's what I really want to talk to y'all about. And basically, because a lot of people watch vegan channels because they're looking to transition. You know, obviously some people are vegan and they're looking for like different, more like ideas. But overall, most people watch, I know when I first transitioned, I watched YouTube for that reason, because I wanted to, you know more about being vegan. So we decided to make an ebook that focuses on how to transition. We give you 30 free easy quick recipes to do. We give you like, you know, things how to change your mind and turn focus more on the mindset, and you know, because it's all mental when you transition. So it's not just a cookbook. It's just 30 meals to help you transition over, and they might not be the healthiest meals because you know a lot of people don't want to just jump right into being raw vegan or alkaline vegan. So I gave y'all whole foods plant-based. So I gave y'all a guide on like foods that are easy to make and won't be, you know, a big difference from your everyday food. So it's like similar foods that's easy, quick and easy to make. And yeah, so it's an easy guide to follow. We gave y'all good documentaries y'all can watch on Netflix, and it's just like a blueprint that I think is needed for all new vegans. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description box so you can check it out. Also follow us on Instagram, because on Instagram we give you a lot of everyday tips about transitioning to the vegan lifestyle, and we give you you know, health facts. So if y'all not following us or y'all been missing us on YouTube, definitely follow us on Instagram, because we're definitely more consistent over on Instagram. We post a lot on Instagram and Facebook. So follow us on those two things, and TikTok too. Y'all can catch us on TikTok. We're gonna be uploading. If you follow us on TikTok, or if you don't follow us on TikTok, follow us on TikTok. But if you are new and you're just now following us, follow us on TikTok, because if y'all don't want to watch our long videos on here, we're gonna like post shorter versions on TikTok. And also I forgot to have YouTube quicks or YouTube shorts. So we'll probably start posting on there too, so y'all can just see our shorter videos if y'all don't feel like watching like a whole video.
Yeah, everything fast. And, you know, on TikTok, I be getting with the dancing. You know, that's what TikTok is about. It's a different type of platform. So sometimes you gotta, you know, entertain those people differently. You know, get their attention. So I hit them with a little dance move. You can, you know, just go ahead, check it out. You'll see for yourself. I don't want to get left away. But just touching on what Tina was saying about the ebook. I look at the ebook as what I was thinking of it when I was writing it. I was like, I want to make a comprehensive, like a guide, kind of like something that people can carry with all the time. They can use it as like a reference point, and you know, and touch it back on what she was talking mental. You know, when you eat, everything you do in life is a habit. Everything. You know, when you wake up, whether you brush your teeth first or drink some water, anything you do is a habit. So, with transitioning to a new lifestyle, new diet.
So, my bad, y'all, the camera cut off. So, like I was saying, that we were, what I had in the recipe book, I said spelt toast, spelt French toast, and then I said we had chickpea tuna salad sandwiches. Those are just 2 recipes, quick and easy, especially for beginners, especially if you're not a cook. Those are 2 quick, easy recipes that you can do. And you want to give them like a preview or like without giving it away, things they can do as far as mindset wise when they transition.
For me, for anybody, it's all start with reason. You know, a lot of people, I believe when they don't stick to a diet or stick to their lifestyle, because they didn't reason wasn't strong enough, or maybe they just I guess lying to themselves. You know, there was one person that was, I guess, a famous person that was on YouTube that was vegan. They got caught eating a certain food that was vegan, and now, you know, she came out like, yeah, I'm no longer vegan, but her whole channel was based on that. And her whole thing was always, I guess, love for animals, and that's why she was vegan, but then she got caught eating chicken and whatever like that. So it's like, it's kind of hypocritical. If you have love for something, you're not gonna give up that easy, no matter how hard it is. You're gonna, wherever there's a problem, there's a solution. It's all about finding that solution. And the way the world is now, a lot of people, going back to what you said earlier, a lot of people attention span is short, and they want quick and easy. They want quick, easy results, or they want what I was saying earlier. What people Remember I said they want instant gratification.
Yeah.
And some things take work. And that's cool. Like, think about all the work that it took just to build life. It take 9 months to build a baby. Make a baby. So when you really want something, it takes time. So it's all about investing the time and learning. So finding your reason. My reason being vegan, wanted to eat and live healthier. You know, my mom passing away from cancer. You know, having a family and wanted to live longer for them, and wanted to teach them how to eat healthier and create generational health. You know, we always talk about generational wealth, but you can't have wealth really without, you know, I mean, you can have wealth, but if you're not here to enjoy it, like, what's the kind of point of it? You know, we know a lot of famous people that die famous from, like, diet-related causes. You feel me? So, yes, they got the wealth, but they didn't have the health. So, you know, so we want to touch on that and create generational health, and then wealth will come along with it, because it's all about a mindset. So, have your reasoning, and strong enough reasoning, and using that reasoning to help you transition. Write it down. You know, write affirmation around that reasoning. You know, my father just passed away last year from an aneurysm, which is, you know, diet-related again. And that could be stress too, but mostly, you know, diet-related. And that's making me want even to eliminate processed foods even more. Because yes, we were eating processed food. Y'all see our older grocery hauls.
Yeah, our older videos go all the way down.
You'll see
made a
that
big change.
A lot of processed foods. But then my latest grocery haul, I kind of backed away from it just because, like I said, my father, that reasoning. And then that's strong enough to motivate me to want to do it, to want to change, and then just use that every day. On top of other methods and other things, it'll help you become vegan or become plant-based and stick to it. Because it's just one part going, and then you gotta stick to it. You know, so, and that's what we want to do. We want people that switch and stick. You know, stick to the lifestyle. You know, they don't live once. So eat to live, don't live to eat. Right there. Eat to live, don't live to eat. Right there.
But yeah, y'all. That's what basically the ebook is about. So go purchase it right now. It's on sale right now, actually. So make sure you go grab it right now while it's on sale. Also, we've been busy with the website. We got a lot more things in store that's coming that we're looking forward to. But like I said, we have a lot of great content coming for y'all from our kids.
Oh, there's some burro bananas. We selling burro bananas now?
Burro bananas. We're selling. That's a whole nother video. We're gonna show you. I want to do a tutorial, probably making some burro fries and burro mashed potatoes. Just showing you different ways you can use them. But yeah, we are selling burro bananas. Go check out our website, by the way. If y'all not subscribed to our emailing list, make sure you go subscribe also and get yourself a free meditation guide. Go check it out down below. So there's a lot of more ways to follow us than just here on YouTube. You all can follow us, like I said, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and then we got TikTok. And then you can go right on to our website. Make sure y'all subscribe. PeaceLoveVegan420.com. So yeah, that's all we wanted to do. Just chill, eat some nachos with y'all, talk to y'all. We'll be back with more content. The next video we're gonna do grocery haul, what I eat today.
No, I just did it when I ate today. Okay, I recorded it.
So I guess you'll see either a grocery haul or what I eat a day from us. But yeah, we have look out for our content. If you're not subscribed, if you're new to our channel, just stopping by, please subscribe to our channel. And that is it, you guys. That's all we wanted to talk about. And we look forward to coming back. And we got a lot of stuff in store for y'all. So that is it.
You know, like I always say, here to be vegan. Peace.
Peace.